Hey guys, Jim here, working on the Elsinore 500 project. So I'm dealing with pistons right now and trying to get as smooth a motor as possible, so I'm dealing with the piston weights. So what I got here is a stock YZ465 piston rings and pin. And in this project I'm using a 465 bottom end but a 490 top end. So here's a Wiseco 490 piston, and it's the max bore you can go on a 490. So I got the pin and rings on there, and trying to make the Wiseco piston as light as the stock 465 piston. So we got 455, 454 grams on the 465 piston. Now the 490 piston, which is quite a bit bigger, and Wisecos are known to be kind of heavy, we got 470. So I've already lightened this piston up quite a bit, and stuff I've done to lighten it up so far has been putting in a hole on the intake side. That helped out. And then here inside the piston, I put a generous radius on these lower parts for the pin. And then I drilled a hole straight through. That hole wasn't there with the standard Wiseco piston. The hole is straight through. And then I gave both the pin and that hole that I drilled a generous chamfer. Of course, chamfered the edges here as well. All that stuff helped out. And then if you look in the bottom towards the back, you can see this casting right here, that hump. That's put in there to deal with the piston locating pins. See, we got one here and one up here. And they had a hump on both sides, so I totally eliminated the hump on that side. And then the last bit is here in the front skirt. I don't know if you can see it, but I thinned out the wall just on this side and the other side, trying to eliminate some weight on the front skirt. That also helps to balance the piston front to back, because if you have the front of the piston weighing more than the back, then you'll end up with a lot of piston slap and the motor will just sound bad. So trying to achieve all these things at once. That's it. Talk to you later.